Hey guys, it's Kristen. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own custom label similar to the one I made for my knitting needles. So this is very easy and fast to do. Now this isn't anything new. You may have seen these posted on Pinterest, but in my video, I want to show you a more efficient way and a little bit of a better way to get this done. And I'm also going to explain mistakes that you can make and how to avoid those. Before I jump in, I just want to ask if you guys like this video to give me a thumbs up and then make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. Now I'm going to show you what you need and how to make them.
For this project, you will need printed words, some clear tape, a pair of scissors, and some warm water. The first thing we're going to do is print out some words you want to use for this project. Then you'll use some of your clear tape and you'll place it over top of those words. Just make sure it's completely flat and there's no air bubbles or creases. Then, using the back of the scissors, firmly press over top of the letters. We want to make sure that the paper adheres to the tape very well. Once you've done that, you can start cutting out your words. If you have some really long words, you're going to want to do one at a time. And you're going to want to cut this as close to the lettering as possible, because if you leave too much space, you'll be able to see that once you tape it onto whatever you're using. So obviously, if you use block letters, it's going to be much easier to cut out versus here where I'm trying to cut out cursive. Now we're just going to take some very warm water and we're going to place our word in the bowl. And you just want to let it sit here and soak for about 2 minutes. Then you should be able to just simply slide the paper away and have your tape remaining. You will want to put this aside and really let it dry. It's probably going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's dried and it feels tacky, then you can place it on your jar or your container, whatever you're using, and you can see it just looks like custom lettering. It doesn't really look like tape or anything that you made at home. It does also work on darker surfaces, but you may be able to see the tape slightly. So here on the blue one, you can't really see the tape at all, but if I put it on the flower pot, this one you can see. But if you press down on it really hard or rub it with the back of the scissors, it does help a little bit where you can get some of that fogginess or the air bubbles out, but it doesn't look as good as the glass jar. Now, here are some things to avoid. If you place your words in the water without rubbing it with the scissors first, you can see that it won't have as dark of an impression. The other thing is, a lot of the videos right now are showing you putting the words in the water and then immediately starting to rub off the paper. And even though this does work, the problem is while you're rubbing the paper, you're also rubbing off the ink and the lettering. So as you can see, the letters are very faint and most of the ink is in the bowl. Lastly, if you don't let these dry after you take it out of the water, it will slip around and as you can see, the ink will smear.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked it and I hope you like these custom labels. If you guys make these, I would love for you to share those with me. I'm pretty much on all social media under XX. I am Kristen XX, so feel free to share those with me. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video. I'll talk to you later.